Hey everybody, this is Stacy and Greg from our unscripted keto lifestyle with our weeks.
I'm at 12.
Yeah, 12?
I'm at 12.
He's 12, so that means I'm 9. 12 and seems like longer than that.
Feels like longer than that. Feels like we've been doing this forever. Of course, if we were doing it forever, we wouldn't have the extra baggage we carry around with us.
That's true. We still suck. We still haven't been planning our meals, even though for the last 3 weeks we've been saying we were going to plan them.
Oh, we planned them.
We did not.
What'd you make yesterday?
That's the only thing that was planned.
No, we planned on going to the restaurant on Monday.
Yeah, but...
So Tuesday. What do we have on Tuesday?
We had... I don't even remember. Burgers?
No, you had your conferences, so I didn't worry about you on Tuesday.
Oh, that's right. I had.
That's the only reason she thinks anything sucks. She had parent-teacher conferences,
But we didn't sit down on Sunday and discuss this.
No, but we had a baseline. We've already bought food. We picked up food. So tonight we had what?
Steaks.
And they looked delicious. And they tasted good.
They were good.
She's spoiled though. I usually add a little extra flavor for her.
They were missing some pizzazz.
Yeah. They were grass-fed ribeyes, and evidently they were not pizzazzy enough for Miss Stacy. But they tasted exactly like you would expect a grass-fed ribeye. The
flavor was good. No, wait. No, the flavor was good. But it was just good. The flavor could have been.
I usually do like a little garlic butter or a little goat cheese, or add a little extra zing that she's now accustomed to.
The texture was awesome.
I cooked them on my grill because it was still daylight out. The dog's having a stroke again. We'll wait.
He was doing...
Crisis is over.
Doing laps on the couch.
Yep.
Oh my god.
We have the pansiest dog you'll ever see. And he doesn't like it when he's even moist. So he has to go try to figure out a way to get him in his little stupid little sweater dry. And sometimes it is a ruckus.
It involves tearing ass around the couch.
Yeah. I wish I could tear ass around the couch whenever I'm a little moist.
Anyway, so
anyway, the steaks look good. I made them on the grill. You can check that out. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were really very grilly flavored.
Well, yeah, they're supposed to be grilly flavored.
Yeah.
Because I grilled them.
I know.
In 20-degree weather, I grilled some steaks, and they were delicious. And we had some green beans with some turkey bacon.
And the green beans were good.
Yeah, even though they were the frozen Costco variety.
Even though they were the frozen ones, he actually kept an eye on them this time.
Yep.
Didn't let them get all mushy and nasty.
Wilty. She doesn't like wilty beans.
No. I like the beans
tasting like little turkey bacon in there. They were pretty good. A little pat of butter. It was good. And then I had some Rebel ice cream for dessert.
I had some Rebel ice cream as well.
Put me right at my macro levels.
My Rebel ice cream was vanilla, so it's a bit bland and diety tasting. So we have this, what is it? This syrup, Starbucks
cinnamon dulce
syrup.
Yeah.
And I might have put a little too much in it.
She got a little overzealous with the pumpage.
So then it kind of made my mouth feel like I had been licking a bar of soap.
Which is
not flavor-wise, but just
kind of. Oh, I see. Like
a residue, and it was not good.
No, that's because of the ice cream, though.
I don't know. So I tried to add in some sliced almonds, thinking maybe that would help, and
did it help?
It helped with the texture.
You should have saw her, man. She spent 20 minutes trying to make this ice cream good.
Then I ended up,
which is hilarious because she doesn't like vanilla, so I don't know why she even bothered eating this ice cream.
Bunch of pinches of pink salt.
Yeah, she kept salting their ice cream. It was. Morgan was getting really upset about it. Morgan was getting very offended. Why are you screwing up your vanilla ice cream? Why are you screwing up and salting your ice cream?
Here she comes.
She added dulce de leche.
No, it's dulce cinnamon.
Dulce cinnamon. And then she melted it in the microwave. And then she stirred it up with her dulce cinnamon. And then she was like, this is too sweet. So she went, grabbed some almonds, put them in, stirred it up. It's still too sweet because almonds are going to help the sweetness. Then she goes, grabs the salt, No.
It was painful to watch.
It was painful in my ear.
Yeah, well, she was a little upset. She was watching you this whole time desecrate ice cream. I didn't lose any weight last week. I pretty much. So interesting. I left, and right before I left, I weighed myself last week on the weekend, and I was at the lowest weight I've been in a while. And then when I came back, I was still at that same weight, but then over the course of kind of having a couple, I don't want to call them cheat days because I was really conscientious, but I didn't record the macros and stuff as diligently as I should have. And
it's like I'm doing this week.
Lo and behold, I gained a couple pounds by Sunday, so I had like literally no change. And now I'm back below that mark again, but we'll see how Sunday goes.
Yeah, well, I lost like 5 pounds last week, so I figure gaining a pound back this week or staying the same is probably okay. I mean, obviously it's not progress, but it's also not the end of the world. Yep. It's not going to knock me off my
And last
course.
Sunday, I did lose, I think, an inch on my arms, inch on my waist, and...
Yeah, I don't trust those inches.
Yeah, she measures it.
No, I said I don't trust the inches.
Oh yeah, I trust the inches a lot more than the weight, actually.
No.
Yeah, everybody says the inches mean more than the weight does. I mean, more importantly, how do you feel, but...
Yeah, if I wasn't so tired, I'd feel great.
Maybe you should be playing some Beat Saber.
Well, I'm going to be playing some Beat Saber later.
See?
It's kind of sad when you're listening to songs on the radio and you can see, like, the map in your head as to how it would be for those songs.
If you don't know what Beat Saber is, it's a virtual reality.
We should do a video on that.
Yeah, I'll throw a clip up right here. But it's basically what Stacy's been using as her exercise because it's too cold and late to go to the Y to do the work.
Yeah. So. But it's good for your arms. And it does get your heart rate up on some songs.
Yep. I've been doing the fasting again. I'm back on the fasting. 16 and 8. It's kind of tweaking towards 9-ish. But I don't think I'm ready yet for 9-ish. I think I still need to do some more 8 time because by the time 1 o'clock comes around, I'm still kind of hungry. I'm starting to get hungry. Like I get up in the morning and I'm hungry and it's just my body telling me it's time to eat. And then I drink my coffee. And after I drink my coffee, it generally tapers off, and then I'm okay. And then get to noon, and then so yeah.
So I decided this week to mess around with the fasting.
By mess around, she means change it.
And not fast as much.
So I did that last week. It didn't work out very well for me. I actually gained weight.
Yeah. I got on the scale this morning and I was actually up a pound. Mm-hmm. So I did fast today until about 12:30. Mm-hmm. Anyway, what I did yesterday is I drank a Zip Fizz in the morning. Mm-hmm. And I still got hungry at the exact same time that I get hungry every single day.
Yeah, so generally with the fasting is your body's going to be better attuned to, once you open the floodgates, once you eat something, consume something, have some calories in something, which Zip Fizz has calories, it also has nutrients that your liver is going to process. So once you have something, it's going to open the floodgates and you're going to be starting to get hungry. It's not going to change anything. So I mean, you can go 3 small meals, but the difference is that you're not going to get the benefits from the fasting that way. And it's going to depend on what you're eating. Generally, if you get a shorter window, even if you're consuming the same amount of calories. So right now I'm at a 1,500 calorie. I don't know what you're at.
I don't know. I haven't been tracking my macros this week.
What's wrong with you?
Because I've been doing about the same thing I do all the time, and I'm just I don't feel like it this week. So
interesting.
Figured I'd just take a week off of tracking the macros, see where I end up. It's probably going to be not in a place I want to be.
No.
So I'll learn from that, and I'll stick with it more going forward.
So last week we talked about I was having some serious dizziness issues. Yes. Right? So And I got the electrolyte powder, and I've been kind of keeping the tabs on that, and it's been better. I haven't had any issues. I was a little dizzy today, actually. But I took some of the powder, and I, basically got myself another big dose of electrolytes. And
it'd be nice if he would have gotten the electrolyte powder and something we both liked instead of nasty fruit punch.
She wasn't complaining about being dizzy.
Yeah, well, I've had some dizziness issues this week, so I broke into the, whatever those pills are. That stuff stinks.
Apple cider vinegar in my tea.
I broke into the pills, the sport pills.
Oh, the sport salts.
And I took one of those yesterday, and I haven't had any dizziness.
Yeah. So I think it's probably a potassium low issue. Maybe.
But I am really tired because I've been staying up way too late.
Mm-hmm. You've been playing VR.
Playing Beat Saber, which is so much fun. So I've been staying up way too late playing that, getting up my normal time. So I'm really tired and kind of like, this week. Yeah. So I'm glad tomorrow
She's
is
usually
Friday.
in bed by 9:30, and she's not been getting in bed until like 11:30. And then she stays in there for another 35, 40 minutes just dorking on her phone.
Because my brain won't turn off.
Uh-huh. Oh, did you have an interjection, Morgan?
I do. Yeah, if you use your phone, that keeps your brain awake longer.
Yep.
Because the light
stimulates. Yes, mother.
So what you do
I know this.
Is you listen to music like what I do. Or
No, the music keeps me awake. That's why I don't sleep with the radio on.
blue noise. Wait, white noise.
Blue noise?
White noise.
Would you like to demonstrate
Blue
what
light,
blue
white
noise
noise,
is?
yeah. I pull my finger, I'll demonstrate what blue noise is.
That's
No.
brown noise.
Oh, right. My mistake.
But yeah.
Yeah, I tell her this all the time. She doesn't listen to me.
Mother. Science.
She doesn't believe in science, although she's going on a keto diet now. I don't.
I believe in science. I just know
only
what
believes
works
in the
for
science that she
me. I know
wants
what
to
works
believe in.
for me. And
That doesn't
playing
work
a
for you.
little match 3 game on my phone before I go to sleep works. It helps me relax. It helps my brain stop going
How many of you
5 million
guys
miles
are
an
out
hour.
there? They're using your phone every night before bed and getting terrible sleep. And we're going to the movie tomorrow night. So
We
that'll be fun.
are, yes. We're going to see Captain Marvel.
Yep. So that's on the agenda.
So we're going to have to come up with our own movie snacks.
Yep. So maybe we'll have a movie snack video we can put together.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's what I was
I'm
thinking.
saying sensing some almonds and some moon cheese in the future.
Definitely some moon cheese. Always moon cheese.
Moon cheese. Stacy got a couple more packs of pepper jack moon cheese from, what was it, Earth Fair?
Earth Fair.
Yeah.
Had them on sale for like, what, $3.50 a bag?
Yeah, it's not
I think
cheap,
it was-
but
I think it was $3.50 a bag.
yep, it works. So overall, I think we're doing well. The diets, as you mentioned, is a little boring. She make pho,
I did. Pho.
and it was a
Figured out how to say it
Pho.
for sure this time. It's pho.
king
Beef
mess.
Pho. Beef pho.
There's a
It was.
pho king mess.
This is why I don't cook, because I followed the instructions. However, when I was asking him, do we have this, do we have that, do we have this, there was one thing that got lost in translation somehow, and I did not mark it on the list that I needed it, so we went without
we still did
whole
you use
cloves.
Oh, you use ground cloves, don't you?
No, I didn't. I was going to sprinkle a little in there, and then of course I forgot.
Mostly forgot.
So I also had an issue with the stupid foodie thing.
Mm-hmm. She didn't check to
because
make sure the pressure came up.
I didn't know
properly.
you're supposed to do that. And we couldn't find the beef broth, so we ended up using chicken broth, and
Did you find the beef broth afterwards?
Yes.
Was it exactly where I said it was?
It was, but we were in the trying to get this in, and you have to like brown the seasonings beforehand, so like the cinnamon
give it more
stick and the
aromatic
anise and the fennel.
Yep.
Yeah, I burned that shit the first time. Fennel's black. So that went in the trash and we started over. And then I completely forgot to cook the miracle noodles that we were supposed to have with it as well. Mm-hmm. So we didn't have that. And then I think because I didn't do the foodie thing right, the broth didn't get as hot as it was supposed to.
Oh, it got hot, but as soon as it's done, you're supposed to be dropping it in bowls. You can't like wait 20 minutes to.
It wasn't 20 minutes.
Just literally 20 minutes.
And I didn't get the beef out of the fridge to let it kind of come to room temperature a little bit.
Yep, which is also the problem.
So this is why I don't cook.
Yep. Got a cheesecake recipe coming up.
Yep.
We did a headbanger cheesecake recipe that's coming up.
Headbanger's Kitchen.
Yeah, Headbanger's Kitchen. So we kind of did a quick intro on that. And then we review a keto box that's been sold on Amazon. Mm-hmm. So that will be coming as well. And I think we're going to do a full day eating on one of these days this weekend.
On a weekend.
Sunday, probably Sunday.
Sometime on a
Sunday's
weekend.
probably a weekend, yeah. So, yep, we're going to do a full day eating. And then maybe if you guys want, we can do a grocery haul too. All right, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by our channel. And like and subscribe. Evidently, we're getting some cold, not as cold in Ashimo tomorrow.
It's supposed to be 40 tomorrow.
Wow. It's supposed to be 50 next week. Yeah.
I'm ready for that
And rain.
shit. I don't care if it's raining as long as it's not freezing.
Like, subscribe.
Stay keto.
See you guys.